Today I'm going to show you how to add and customize a text element in Wix, whether you're building a landing page, updating your homepage, or adding content to any section of your site. Knowing how to work with text elements gives you full control over your website's messaging and design. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Wix dashboard. From here, look at the left navigation menu and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear with a few options. From this menu, click on Website. This will take you to the specific site you want to edit, so make sure you're selecting the right one if you manage multiple sites. Now you'll see a preview of your website settings. Take a moment to confirm that this is indeed the website you want to work on. It's always a good idea to double-check, especially if you're managing more than one project, to avoid making changes to the wrong site. Once you've confirmed you're on the correct site, locate the Design Site button. You'll find it at the top part of your screen, typically next to a pen icon. Click on it to move forward. This button is your gateway into the editor, where all the real customization happens. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where you can drag, drop, and fully customize every element on your site. From here, locate the Add Elements menu on the left navigation panel and click on it. This menu is packed with all the building blocks you need to design your site, from images and videos to buttons and forms. The menu will expand and show you a list of all the elements you can use to customize your website. Scroll through until you find the text section and click on it. Under the text element, you'll see several types of text that you can choose from. These include theme text, titles, paragraphs, collapsible text, marquee, and text mask. Each one serves a different purpose depending on the style and function you're going for. Select the one that fits your needs and drag it onto your canvas. This is where you'll start building out your content. Once the text element is added to your page, simply click on it. An Edit Text button will appear right away. Click on it to access the text settings. This is where the real customization begins. You can change the style, format, and alignment to match your brand or design vision. You can also add effects if you want something more dynamic, adjust the line spacing for better readability, or even change it to a vertical text orientation if that suits your layout. Additionally, you can choose an HTML tag for SEO and accessibility, which is important if you want your site to rank well and be user-friendly for all visitors. And that's it. You've successfully added and customized a text element in Wix. You now have full control over how your content looks and feels on your site. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.